The metal C-stud and track roll forming machine is an advanced piece of equipment used to manufacture metal C-studs and tracks, which serve as essential components in framing structures during construction. The recyclability of steel reduces the environmental footprint associated with construction waste. Moreover, the use of metal components can contribute to energy-efficient building designs, reducing long-term energy consumption. The metal C-stud and track roll forming machine epitomize the amalgamation of technology and construction, ushering in a new era of efficiency and precision in building framing systems. With its ability to produce high-quality metal C-studs and tracks at a rapid pace, this innovative equipment has transformed the way modern structures are constructed. As the construction industry continues to evolve, the metal C-stud and track roll forming machine remains an indispensable tool, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in building design and construction techniques.